Hello and welcome to the Kwick Quote System. Meet Josh, our LTL guru. If your shipment requires something beyond LTL services, we've got you covered with additional options. For partial truckload, PTL, connect with Alexis, and for full truckload, FTL, Natalie is here to assist you. Provide us your name so Josh can assist you better. Perfect. Let's give Josh some more details. Enter pickup and delivery zip codes to calculate distance. Let's give Josh some more details. Please select Pickup Location Type from the list below. Please select Delivery Location Type from the list below. Kindly provide Josh with accurate details so he can secure the most budget-friendly rates for you. Select Content Category. Declare total value of your shipment. Please select if you require additional insurance. Let's add shipment details. And there you have it. Your rates are ready. Follow along with Josh to finalize the price and book your shipment. Select a suitable pickup date for your shipment. Last step, upload any important and relatable documents before we ship. You're all set. Thank you for choosing Kwick Cargo for your shipping needs.